Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Been a long time. I don't know where to start, but I think it's been over a year since I uploaded that first video. What's it called? Been very busy, like basically trying to figure out what to do, waiting on parts, and I think last July is when we finally got the rod bearings for the S2K motor. But anyhow, just been very busy working on a lot of things, like this Miata here. Just, I don't know, just shit keeps piling up and trying to find motivation stuff. I got my buddy back here painting my EK Civic hatch. But yeah, today I'm gonna start assembling a clean room. So I gotta assemble the motor in. I got advice from my buddy, longtime mechanic, Porsche guy, and he recommends building a clean room, you know, do the S2K motor right. So yeah, it's right under here is the block, and here's the head. Bunch of parts and throwing garbage over here, but I'll get it sorted out. Parts down there, whole bunch of parts over there. But give a quick tour of the shop, my Miata that I'm working on. The S2K over here now. Bumpers and crap for the EK, fender for the Miata. Shit back there. Bunch of shit over here. But I had accumulated a lot of motors and stuff, so I built a engine shelf. Yeah, see that? More shit here. Beetle motor, compressor, air compressor. Yeah, wheel. Anyhow, I'm gonna get this thing set up. Well, I guess I'll show the Honda over here too. This thing's in progress. Just I've been updating, trying to do YouTube, but haven't been updating a lot. You see, it looks good. My buddy Sam, he's got the trunk back here, this side of the car done. Still got to do hood, roof, passenger side, and then bumpers. Hopefully be done by the end of this week. Yeah. This is the little canopy thing I got. So yeah, I'm gonna put on a time lapse and get her built. Try to move some stuff in. Put the motor, or I should put the block on the stand, and I gotta do a lot of measurements and crap, you know, OEM shit. So we'll see what happens. All right, as you can probably tell, I never put up a canopy before. First time. Didn't know you could put the roof on immediately, so I had to put it on afterwards. But there's the roof, and then there's gonna be some walls. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have enough room. I'm trying to put that table. I'm trying to have this table in the room. Might be a little big, we'll see. But I think there's enough room. All right. Get these walls on here. Alright guys, so I got two of the walls up. And I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to put it on this side so I can keep this workbench instead of pulling in the table. I don't even know if it's gonna be that big of a deal having this like open. Not that serious, huh? I know my buddy, he's pretty serious about shit. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna get the engine stand in here. See if I could bolt the plate up to that. I might be. I think I can pick it up by myself. Put it on. Block ain't that heavy. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Well, I think this is how I'm gonna have to set up. This is gonna be my entrance. Kind of blocked off right there because the main door is here. Come on in. Gotta get lighting. It's pretty dark in here. But yeah, I'm gonna have this bench here. Clean up this tools and whatnot. Clean up over here too. Yeah. This'll work. This'll work. Sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find the bolts for this motor. These were off. These bolts are off of VR6. So that were holding. The VR6 was on this engine stand. I'm gonna see if these will match up. I doubt it, but probably the other side. Let's see here. Got any threaded holes? Well, this one's just a through bolt, so that'll work. Look at that. Yeah, we had to send this block. Pretty sure it went up somewhere in Michigan, maybe. It was a northern state where they could do nickel plating. And I don't know, I didn't really like the shop I took it to that sent it to Michigan or whatever. They were kind of annoying. Very vague people. Yeah, that's not it. Oh, yeah, that shit is fine in there. What's it called? Yeah, it took about a little over a month, I think, to get the block back. And I asked him for like a invoice or sheet on the stuff they did, and he's over here telling me that he can't give that to me, that he can only give me their invoice of what they're going to charge me for them sending it out and whatnot. And it just made no sense. Like, why would you not give me a detailed like invoice, or I don't know what you would call it, of whatever they did to these cylinder walls? Like, I want to know. Like, that's one thing I got to do is check to see if it's still the stock bore. And if it's not stock bore, it's gonna be a problem, because I have no idea what they did to it. Because I'm hoping that if they could just nickel plate it, they could keep it the stock bore. That's the thing. So I don't know how this thing works. I know these S2000 F20 motor, they have to be nickel plated or some bullshit. And then all the other Honda motors are just, they don't have that nickel plating crap. So yeah, let's see if I can find some bolts match up to this. I'm gonna try to find the transmission bolts or something, and I'll be right back. All right, got the transmission bolts. Pretty sure I put these washers on here because I use this. Go get finer thread. The shit is clean as hell though. Pretty. I don't know if we want to paint it or not, or just keep it like this. Yeah. So I'll put those two, then 2 through bolts at the bottom. Actually, the other one is not a through bolt. Let's see. I wonder if I got another one of these somewhere. sitting by the motor or the other parts. Let's find out. Boom, check it out. Transmission bell housing bolts. That's what I needed. That's what I needed. Now, don't want to lose these. Don't want to lose them. But I got these two lined up. Now I'll probably be able to get another one here. Put this bad boy through. See if I need some washers on this one. Yeah, there's a little gap there. I'm trying to wash it for it. I don't know if these might need it as well. Don't know yet. Yeah. I'm gonna get this all set up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I was only able to align 3 of these damn engine mount brackets or whatnot. Can't get a 4th one to line up anywhere, especially on this side. But I think these 3 will do. I don't know how I set it up the first time when I took the motor apart. I don't know if I had 3 or 4, but this should do. About to throw the motor on the stand. Very exciting moment. Been a while. Hope we get this thing. Oh, yeah, look at that. Hopefully get this thing built this summer. That locking pin. Come on, bud. Why are you not locking up? There we go. Damn. So pretty. So pretty. Let me tighten up this other one that I couldn't reach earlier. Use my hand again. Okay. Oh, this is too big. 17. Okay. Yeah, I think 3 will do. Hopefully suffice. Check it out. Yeah, I gotta get lighting up in here. Using this GoPro flashlight I got right now. There you go. Look at that bad boy. Some cinematic shots. Woo! F20, baby. F20. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up this stuff around here. Try to make a better workstation. Bunch of my tools and crap. And I'll be back. Alright guys, so I cleaned it up pretty well. Well, I don't know, cleaned up, but I added parts to the table, so it's not really clean, but got a lot of parts here, some oil pump, pickup tube. See, filled with oh damn, the light went out. Bring it up to this light maybe. Yeah, you see filled with shavings. Well, that's rod bearing material right there. Crazy. But yeah, got the cams here, the caps, what do you say, the lifter assembly. I don't know what the hell these are really called. The heads here, crank under here, pistons. Got my toolbox in here. Bam. Block there. I'm gonna go to see who's got the best lights. I don't know, maybe Harbor Freight or something. Hang some lights up here. I'm also gonna get pick up a parts washer, so I clean all these bad boys. I'm looking fresh. Yeah, that's where I'm at today. I don't know when you'll see me again, but hopefully soon, cleaning some parts, or I don't know. Try to get my buddy in here to help me do all the good math with measuring everything and piston ring gaps and all that. Yeah, I'm gonna get my laptop down here so I can pull up a manual to assemble the motor and whatnot. Yeah, got a valve cover down here. Gonna clean that, repaint it as well. Yeah. Well, if I don't see you again, peace out. Or maybe it's be part of another video or same video. Maybe there'll be part 2. I don't know. All right, bye. Okay, I'm back, and I picked up a parts washer and some lights. Show you right here. Bam. Harbor Freight special. Yeah, I got this. Oh damn it, yeah. And then 2 of these guys I'm gonna set up. Clean those parts. Add some lights. Should be good to go. Let's get it done.
Yeah, girl calling me and she screaming, click. Nah, no time for that. Room spinning like clothes in a laundromat. I'm feeling like I never seen things so clear. From losing my mind, I don't want it back. Demons, come on.
All right, guys, check it out. I got the lights set up in the clean room. Damn. Look, it's bright as hell in here now. Sheesh. You can see everything now. Damn. Oh yeah. Got these from Harbor Freight. I had a coupon, 17 bucks a pop. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, got the extension cord going over here though, but you know, somewhat temporary. Goes here, and then that one hooks up to the other one. Hook up like 8 of them apparently together. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Got that Robin big, yo. Damn. Thrifting, you know. Gotta pick up the classics. You know, I got that PlayStation Portable. Damn, Star Wars edition. You know. Anyhow, I think this is gonna be like one episode or one video, because I think I got like 2 other videos that I haven't edited, where I took out the motor and tore it apart. It's been over a year, but yeah, hopefully get on this grind, do this video stuff. Yeah, hopefully get this motor built this summer. It is May 29th right now, Memorial Day. Yeah. Alrighty guys, see you on the next one.